Right, bit thirsty. Oh, might be a bit hungry. What can I get here? I can get burgers and pastries, hot dogs, nice. Oh, bit thirsty. Might want a bit of Pringle action, lovely. Some cookies, good. Oh, and after, yeah, coffee after. And then a bit of a sugar hit, a bit of Haribo action. And then, some late night action. I might want to roll a spliff, strap something onto my fanny. Oh, what else we got here? Ribs for my pleasure. Oh, well, there's a vagina masturbatadora, and oh, there's another vagina masturbatadora, and there's some love lips. There's a rib top vibro. Oh, he's got a very sexy voice. Oh, there's some lube. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, and we finish it off with a menstrual cup. Winning!